So, we're trying this science experiment that Jaden's mom, Siobhan, told us about. What we're going to do is we're going to try and make fireworks in a jar. You take a mason jar about 3/4 of the way filled up with water, and then hold that like that. Then we're going to take 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil.
Can I pour it?
Yep, go ahead. Here, you hold the thing.
Me and Mama do
And I'm
the
gonna pour it.
experiment.
Now, see how all the oil is going up to the top?
Mm-hmm.
It's because oil has a different density than water, so they can't mix.
Sorry, I can
3.
drop the camera.
It's alright.
Last one.
Riley, why are you holding it all
Look
up
at
and
how the water is reacting to the oil. Tell them why. Tell them why.
Because I already said, because oil has a different density than water. Alright, so then, next, no, we're going to do both of them.
Can I pour in food coloring?
Yes. What we're going to do,
I want to do the blue.
this is teal. I mean,
I want the
that's
teal.
all the ones I had, because I don't know if the gel will work.
I want
But-
to do the teal.
No, it's fine, Riley.
Okay.
So you're going to put in 5, one at a time, 5 drops
I'll go first.
of each color.
1, 2, 3. Wait, no. 4.
Okay?
Okay, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now, Now, because food coloring is water-based, it should separate.
We should back up.
It's not going to really go off, baby. It's just going to go in the...
I want to see it explode.
Well, we already got 2 that fell to the bottom, but they should.
Can I hold the bottle? Maybe we
No,
need
just
a
leave it down.
more.
No, we don't need more. We just...
They turned into these hard circles. Do you want to go
No,
play?
Kira, don't do
I
that.
want to feel one. Yeah. Can I feel one, Mama?
We got to just wait.
I want to feel one. I want to feel one
one
They're
too.
starting the teal food coloring
Yeah,
bar
those ones did.
start to separate. I want to touch one. I want to feel one.
You can touch it.
They feel weird.
Okay, but they should.
The blue one's separating.
Something's happening.
The blue one's separating.
Oh, there they go, see?
Wow, they're like exploding into smoke bombs.
They look like fireworks.
That's cool.
This one didn't work. I guess that's...
I think we need more.
Are we going to post this on YouTube?
I'm going to add more. Okay,
let's add more. I want to see this fully react.
Oh, there it goes.
Whoa.
There goes the teal.
The teal looks skinnier. We might need...
Okay, that's enough, right? That's enough.
Can I put in some more green?
A little bit, yeah. That's good.
Or maybe one more for good luck.
Okay, let's go.
I'm watching the science experiment.
This is so cool.
We should share this with Papa.
And we could do it at his house.
Oh, look at it go.
Whoa, it's so cool. Buster, come here.
Papa, look.
Look.
Come here, Butch.
Looky.
Look here.
It's your 2 favorite colors, green and blue. What's that?
He's fascinated.
He likes it.
Very interesting.
There's still some more? Oh, there goes some more teal.
Okay, can I
Get
add more
closer,
teal?
Butch.
No, no more.
Can I dip my finger in?
Let's get
It's just gonna be, you're gonna get oil on your finger.
our fingers.
No. Oh, you're making them explode more.
I want them.
That's how you do it. You make them
No,
explode.
it's supposed to do it on its own. Because the food coloring has water in it, so it's not gonna...
I win.
No, he's downstairs in the basement, it's fine.
Come on, I'm gonna go do some gymnastics.
Riley's over it.
Yeah, she thinks this is not
Alright,
interesting.
that's it.